Hi everyone, this is the Lighthouse lady. Today I received an order from Amazon. I ordered the Hoover Tempo. It's an upright vacuum cleaner and it still uses the bags. It's a 12 amp motor and it came partially assembled. It came with one bag installed. It takes the Y bag. There's some long screws. They're probably for the handle. The vacuum has a clip. The cord is very low and you could run over it if it was on the ground. The cord into that and it keeps it high enough off the floor where you're not going to be running over it. And it has a filter underneath the bag. Okay, it said to take off the cover, which I have already done. And then you place the handle over the top here. It slides right on. And they gave us these very long bolts. Okay, and it says to push the bolts in through the back. So that'll go through, and then here's the other one. Okay, push the bolts through. I'm not sure if that's showing. Let me see. Yeah, you can see the bolts right there. They gave us 3 of the nuts, maybe an extra one in case one gets lost. I'll hand tighten it, then I'll use a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, got the Phillips screwdriver. And I'll have to tighten it in the back. Turn this around, maybe that'll show. Let's see. Okay. Get it in there. Okay. To the other side. Okay, now the handle's on. Okay, turn it around and the ends of the bolts stick out a little bit, but that'll be covered by the bag door. Then you replace the cover. Goes in the slot, and then you just give it a push. And there it is. Okay, we're going to connect the hose. It has a little piece here that needs to go in this opening right there. Stick it in here. And then we twist it to the right. And it locks it in. And you can see where it went in right there and locks in. And I'm kind of disappointed because it has a little bit of a dent in it right there, which isn't good. From being in the box, there's like a crease there. Okay, we're going to put this, it's going to go over this, and then it's going to go down in the, okay. Then it goes in the slot right here at the bottom. And it fits in there. Okay? Okay. These go on the side over here and snap in. You see that? And the other one goes here. Snaps in. One of the attachments that goes here. There was one already there, and there is a brush that goes down here. Okay, and then I can wrap the hose or the cord around when I get ready to put it up. Well, there you go. I actually assembled it myself. My husband will probably be surprised when he comes in and it's already put together. But this way we know that a woman living by herself could put this together and start using it. Well, let's see how it works. Okay, let's see how it does on the carpet. Wow, that has great suction. And because we have a dog, we have a lot of dog hair. Let's check it out over here. I should have taken a before picture. That dark area of the carpet was full of dog hair, but boy, it cleaned it up good. It looks very nice. Definitely has good suction, but it is a Hoover with a 12 amp. I also ordered some of the Y bags for the vacuum on Amazon. Well, I hope this was helpful. I'll put a link in the description below where I purchased it on Amazon. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you'll be notified. Thank you for watching.